have many. I have started thinking this collection while COVID, and it took 2.5, 3 to 3 years. While I was sitting in COVID, I was wondering like how are people going to, behave or celebrate when the COVID is over. And I did remember the moment what I have loved in the history was the disco. The disco was the only movement. It was like a rebel movement. They were just not about the music, but there were a lot of people. Things were happening behind the scene. The disco was people were coming out, there were LGBT right, there was a not body shaming, people could be wear short clothes, they can have multiple dating. There was a kind of a youth revolution, and that also traveled to from Asia to Africa to Europe. And what I really ask myself that do I just go back and show that what I seen or what is the disco means today. So well, we questioned a lot of things as I showed in the collection. There was I don't really, if I can say that I don't really think that I'm made to do fashion. I think what I like to question fashion here. That's what I really enjoy. So most of the clothes are actually made are not in a traditional pattern cutting. They're made on a welder. So that's the lot of interest of object making, furniture making. I mix all of them. So I see as a body as a canvas, and here we use the welder to make the whole skeleton of the garment. Immediately, first of all, I spoke to them. They very nicely, honestly, they supported me. All I wanted is why a celebrity has to stop. So why can't they be in a flow of the show? And that's exactly we have done it. I think first time in India that no one stopped the show, but they were very much in a flow. And I did tell them, could you help me doing this? Is everyone become an entertainment? I am not here to entertainment as a fashion show. Can I do this definitely? Will you support me to do that? That if I come outside and look in front of the whole media, and as an artist, they understood my emotion and they supported me. And a big thank you to three of them.
I think I realized today that Sanjay would have a long way of course on love his sari. And I'm an avid wearer of Sanjay Garg. So when he asked me to walk and his entire concept, I was actually floored because at the end of the day, this is fashion and we're here to support that. So I think for us to, get ingrained in that and, not stop the show, flow with fashion. I think we were here to make that difference. And I'm so glad that I did it well. And I hope you guys will enjoy it. And also, I like to say, like we said, the young generation, even me, if I can say so. But I think it's about moving with fashion, moving with Gita, and to bring Sanjay in a Western way, even though he's woven these fabrics and bring glitter and glamour into that. I think it's been a great combination, and I'm really happy to be part of this big opening show that we've had. I really realized today that Sanjay would have a long way, of course, on love his sari, and I'm an avid wearer of Sanjay Garg. So when he asked me to walk and his entire concept, I was actually floored because at the end of the day, this is fashion and we're here to support that. So I think for us to, get ingrained in that and, not stop the show, flow with fashion. I think we were here to make that difference. And I'm so glad that I did it well. And I hope you guys will enjoy it. And also, I like to say, like we said, the young generation, even me, if I can say so. But I think it's about moving with fashion, moving with Gita, and to bring Sanjay in a Western way, even though he's woven these fabrics and bring glitter and glamour into that. I think it's been a great combination, and I'm really happy to be part of this big opening show that we've had.
Just wanted to add, I love contradiction. When you say handloom and disco, I was like, this is the right marriage. That's what I think I like to mix. And I think as we say, as a country, I would like any form of journalist or artist, I would like to break out of my mold if I'm feeling up. But that's what I try to do with this. I see the couture, the new direction for couture in India for sure, making boundaries just not by the skill of cloth making. There are artists like them, or a furniture, or a jewelry maker, and that's what I said. I did not care about the pattern making, but I wanted to. I use a welder to make the garment patterning. As I don't know whether you're aware of it, by the way, the sari blouse is woven on the loom itself. It is one of the fabric which is wearing the t-shirt or blouse actually is woven on the loom with the sari. There are many other things. There's a gota. There's a gota. Saba is there. Like that's the gota actually woven in the loom. There is a certain sequence woven. There was a half sari because of the lycra. There is everything is stretchable, breathable. All I want to say in the end, I always do not like my comfort point, and that's what I'm sure everyone is saying. Oh, where was the sari? But I think sari is everywhere, and I have done saris, and I just wanted to question myself.
So I'm a collector of handlooms. I'm the collector of Sanjay saris as a term. So I'm a fan. Since I've been a child, I've been collecting handlooms. My mother would take me to the bus car every year and we like buy handlooms for the rest of the year. So for me, there is
That's the gota.
yeah, the program is it's done and tigers or Banaras have been born in this. I think that's just fine. It's opportunity for tigers, it's reviving a whole craft. So I was in very I'm a man. So and then he said disco and handmade. That for me is everything. I'm a musician and I make disco as a genre of music. So this is home to me. I love it. Thank you for having me. I think what Sanjay does really well is get something simple and make it really elegant. And it's always easy to wear and comfortable, like I can dance with it's stretchy and lycra, but it's also really sexy, very, very classy and even that really well. And also that fact that it's raw fabric, the fact that he always uses raw materials, you feel that in the fabric when you're wearing it, and that's amazing.
Give me.
संजय के लिए एक अप्लॉज तो हो जाए ना भाई।